I chose chemical engineering kind of from two different aspects. In high school, I really enjoyed my chemistry classes. I always kind of liked chemistry. I liked the analytical aspects it offered. And then once I started looking more into the engineering field, I kind of saw the teamwork and the problem-solving skills that engineering had to deal with, and I liked that aspect of things. So I naturally just melded the two together into chemical engineering, and I haven't regretted it since. And I think another main draw to engineering is it offers a lot in terms of opportunities in, after college. It really opens a lot of doors in terms of career paths that getting a base degree in engineering you can really do a lot of things with. So it's nice to have that availability and option for choice down the line. So much of engineering is group work, and you're working with people who you don't know. Sometimes you may be working with people you know, and you just kind of defer on how you go through problems and what different ideas you have. So it just teaches you a lot in terms of communication, bouncing ideas off one another, getting a feel for how other people go about problem solving. They really do a good job with getting you to communicate your ideas. Working in groups is the big part of that, but they also have us do presentations for our senior design project, which is a semester-long project and a year-long project in other departments. You're constantly giving progress reports to your classmates and to other people of the community, and so it really gives you a chance to hone your presentation skills and your communication skills with other people. We had several speakers come in. Our professors did a really good job of inviting alumni back in that have graduated from the chemical engineering department to talk to us, and we've also listened to other people that have come in from other universities give talks on various things, and it's been really helpful just kind of seeing what's out there for the department, seeing what you can do with your career, seeing what other people have done, kind of giving you new ideas, and so it worked out really good just to get an idea of what the road could look like in 5 years. I participate in a lot of the recreational activities. The intramural sports are big, so you get to meet a lot of new people there. And then just taking a lot of the classes outside the School of Engineering, chemistry classes and then liberal arts classes, business classes and such, you get to meet a lot of other students outside in that way also. I have to really re-emphasize just the intimacy of the department here. It's about the perfect size. It's really small enough. I'll be graduating with 24 students this year, which is a really small class. So you get to know your professors and your fellow students really well, but yet at the same time it's a big enough department to where you don't know everybody. So whenever we go in the engineering building, there's always new people to meet, and you don't know everybody. You recognize some faces, but yet there's new ones that you haven't seen yet. So it's just kind of a nice blend between knowing a lot of people and yet not feeling like it's too small. I really enjoy Fort Collins. It was a really big draw for me to come out here. I think it's a perfect setting with CSU. Where in the same aspect, it's big enough but not too big. If you need to get across town for something, you don't have to worry about traffic. But it's also, there's always something to do. You can always find outdoor recreation activities to do. It has a really good old town. The nightlife is really fun. And then there's just Denver down the road, so you can go to that for all the sporting events and concerts and that kind of thing. So you can always find something to do. As far as advice, I would say take engineering. It's a good scientific background. You get knowledge in a lot of different things. You can go a lot of different places with it. And I think more and more industry is looking for more technically background people. And as far as colleges go, I think I'd recommend coming to CSU. I haven't regretted it, and I'd do it all over again if I have to.